1804.
Ayiti
Cherie.
freed out of bondage, you gotta pay homage. The most illustrious war, 1804, never done before. So I quantum leap to 1784. We talked about breaking the chains, breaking the pain, but since our struggle, it's never been the same. I sat at the ceremony, 1791, Wakaima. A brother named Bookman of African descent, sent from the heavens to represent. A ceremony took place to erase all the scars that took place. Now the war has finally begun to be free, and the brothers, by any means, led by Dessalines, field of many dreams, haunted by bloody streams just to preserve mountainous greens. Neg Mawon in military attire. No guns, we still exchange fire. We ignite the minds of young writers and gave birth to revolutionary fighters. A quote from Dessalines, Liberté ou la mort. Death before dishonor, no more. How could this young country be so poor? They stole our riches, embarked on our shores, twisted our laws, but we fought for the cause. In 1803, the flag was sown. Now the true Noir Rouge is flown. It said, ensemble nous plus fort. It said, l'union fait la force. The French army thrown off course. They underestimated us, and that's why they lost. Napoleon Bonaparte's army torn apart. To true generals, war is an art. Tattooed Dakota arms in my heart. Ayiti
Cherie.
You in my heart. Sat in the cipher of the circle of the spark. First free black empire, we made our mark.